The Ulefone Armor Pad returns to us again in the Pro version. This compact 8-inch tablet is great for all of you who want a compact tablet that's not only it's water and dust resistant, but is resistant to the extreme temperatures, drops and shocks too. It comes with a 7650 mAh battery, which is twice that of the iPad mini and about the same as the iPad Pro 11. Gives you the confidence to go through the entire workday or outdoor activities with up to 14 hours of intensive tasks, team communications, GPS tracking and video viewing. There is a lot more, so be sure to watch this Armor Pad Pro video review. Also with our tablet we got this accessory that can be bought separately and does not come in the standard sales package. And that is this hand strap with kickstand. We will look at it and try it a little later. And now let's start unboxing the tablet. This is our tablet and for now it's going a bit to the side until we check the contents of this box. So there we have a SIM pin for opening the SIM tray. A lot of paperwork including this Armor Pad Pro user manual written in many languages, multifunctional instructions and a bunch of other instructions for this tablet, as well as this brochure that shows all of the accessories you can buy with this tablet, such as various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases and holders, phone mounts and much more that Ulefone offers. USB Type-C RAID cable for charging, an 80-watt charger. Okay, that was contents of this package. Let's take a look at our Armor Pad Pro. So if you're looking for a perfect rugged tablet that won't be too big on your hands, will fit easily in your bag and will keep you light when traveling, this compact 8-inch Armor Pad Pro is the best choice you can make. Armor Pad Pro comes with a body made of extremely durable materials with reinforced rubberized corners for even better protection. The particularly soft backside, which also has a thin anti-slip protective surface, is very pleasant to the touch. They have also used a very good quality polycarbonate to manufacture this body of this tab. In hand this really feels so very compact. If you have a larger hand, it could also serve you as a classic smartphone. On the right side of the tablet is this orange programmable button that can be customized to perform various functions within the tablet or compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or long press, so this small button has 3 different functions according to your wishes. Next to it is a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the opposite side we find the volume up and down button. And below you will see this U-Smart connector to which we can connect additional devices that can help us to work, such as an endoscope or microscope or high quality diagnostic tool that you can buy separately. On the underside of the Armor Pad Pro, under the rubber cap, we find what we also like to see, this 3.5mm headphone jack, and right next to it is a USB Type-C port for charging. There we can see one speaker and another one from above, so we have 2 very loud stereo speakers that are great for multimedia. On the top we still have this entrance where there is a SIM tray with as many of 3 slots, 2 for 2 4G nano SIM cards and 1 for a macro SD card of up to 2 TB at the same time. On the back we find a single camera lens with LED flash. The camera consists of Samsung ISOCELL GM1 sensor. In the Armor Pad Pro series, 14MP camera is designed to capture detail and vibrant photos whenever you need it. The camera takes decent photos as well as the videos of up to 1080 pixel resolution at 30 fps with ACE function. Now to get a feel for camera performance, it's the best check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Armor Pad Pro tablet, so let's take a look. On the front we have a compact 8-inch HD Plus 1280 by 800 pixels 60Hz screen with aspect ratio of 16:10. Above it is in frame we find a 32 megapixel front camera that will perfectly handle your video calls in HD resolution. There is also a speaker for calls, and although it's not visible now, there we have a light proximity sensor and notification light. In the trend of large screens among tablets, this is a truly just the right screen size for one-handed use, texting, watching videos or browsing. Many of you will be pleased with its size. If you're looking for a tablet for your kids who keeps dropping things from his hands, the Armor Pad Pro could be the best education and entertainment tablet for your kid. It comes with a pre-installed child mode function so that this tablet can be adapted to your child and his age. The Armor Pad Pro uses an 8-inch screen with 500 nits of brightness. Here is really great and it's more than enough for outdoor use and on a sunny day. Of course, this screen is the best you have seen, but it's important to keep in mind that this device is designed to be affordable. Considering its price point, the screen performance is actually quite impressive. Let me not forget to mention this addition to the Armor Pad Pro. We can also buy this kind of combination of a hand strap and kickstand that can be customized to fit comfortably around your hand, providing secure and strain-free use. Meanwhile, the kickstand securely holds the tablet in place, whether it's on use or in the move. It also features the 360-degree rotation, allowing you to find the perfect screen viewing angle for any situation. Running the softer side, Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is based on the latest Pure Android 13, so we have covered with all the latest Google features and possibilities. It supports Bluetooth 4.2, dual 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, and well features a comprehensive 3-in-1 navigation system, supports GPS, GLONASS and Galileo positioning. This combination ensures enhanced accuracy and reliability for location-based services during all your outdoor adventures, even in remote areas. The Armor Pad Pro is equipped with NFC functionality, providing access to mobile payment, identification and authentication features including ID cards or passport. You can even enjoy in a wide array of popular titles available on the Google Play Store thanks to the MT8788 octa-core processor, which is a mix of powerful hardware plus 4G LTE modem integrated into power-efficient 12nm technology, all operating on 2 GHz. Graphics is provided by a high-capable ARM-Mali G72 MP3 GPU operating up to 800 MHz, ensuring optimal performance for both work and multimedia, providing a seamless, energy-conscious experience that ensures sufficient gameplay across most games, but don't expect any miracles here. Now delving into the memory configuration, the Armor Pad Pro starts a new race with the excellent 8GB base RAM, and it gets even more impressive by utilizing the extended 8GB RAM feature. It can reach a huge 16GB of RAM in total, which further accelerates and makes work on this tablet even more fluid. In terms of storage, the tablet offers 128GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable of up to huge 2TB for those seeking additional storage capacity. With a 7650 mAh battery capacity, the Pad Pro gives you a confidence to go and the entire workday or outdoor activities with up to 14 hours of intensive task, 48 hours talk time and 14 hours of screen on time. The Armor Pad Pro sets the standard for exceptional durability with IP68 and IP69K ratings, ensuring waterproof and dust protection and meeting the rigorous MIL STD 810H military standard for drop resistance. The Armor Pad Pro is engineered to endure extreme weather conditions and rough handling. This tablet performs like a true hero in the harshest environment. Overall, the Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is a rugged tablet that offers top-notch performance, durability and functionality in a compact case with an 8-inch screen. Whether you are using it for work or play, indoors or outdoors, this tablet is built to withstand the elements and delivers reliable performance when you need it most. With its powerful processor, ample memory and storage, and robust constructions, the Ulefone Armor Pad Pro is the ultimate rugged tablet for those who require a reliable and durable device in challenging situations. If you are looking for a perfect tablet that won't be too big on your hands, will fit easily in your bag, and will keep you light when traveling, this compact 8-inch Armor Pad Pro is the best choice you can make. So, official sales links are below this video, be sure to visit them, hurry up and get yourself a new Ulefone Armor Pad Pro today at a promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this exceptional tablet. That will be all for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video review. Bye.